You just went through a severe Texas hailstorm. You look up, you see missing shingles, bruised roof membranes, or water dripping into your commercial property. You hire a contractor who quotes you $25,000 or even $100,000 plus for a commercial replacement. Then your insurance check arrives and it's $3,200, or worse, an outright denial claiming it's normal wear and tear. If you feel like your insurer is trying to shortchange you, you're not paranoid. You're watching the insurance industry's standard playbook in action. Delay, deny, and undervalue. StormLex Law Group is breaking down what roof repairs actually cost after a hailstorm, and why you should never accept the insurance company's first check as the final word. Let's talk real numbers. The actual cost of repair or replacement after a hail event depends on 6 core factors. First, your roof's square footage and pitch. Second, material costs, asphalt, metal, TPO, or tile, all of which have seen significant cost increases. Third, labor rates in major hubs like Dallas, San Antonio, and Austin. Fourth, structural and sublayer water damage. Fifth, roof accessibility and required building code upgrades. And sixth, your policy deductible, which in Texas is often 1% to 2% of your property's total insured value. For minor cosmetic touch-ups, you might see costs under $1,500. But when golf ball-sized hail strikes, causing granule loss, cracked membranes, and underlying deck punctures, moderate repairs easily hit $5,000 to $10,000, while full commercial or residential replacements rapidly cross $20,000 to $100,000 or more. Now let's answer 3 of the most critical questions property owners ask after a storm. First, why is the insurance estimate so much lower than my contractor's quote? Because your insurance adjuster uses software program default rates, often written to favor the insurer, not real-world local contractor labor and current material prices. Worse, they frequently attempt to classify functional hail damage as cosmetic or pre-existing wear and tear to dodge replacement obligations. Second, what is the difference between actual cash value and replacement cost value? This is where property owners get trapped. An ACV policy deducts heavy depreciation based on the age of your roof, leaving you with a fraction of the payout out of pocket. An RCV policy covers the actual cost to replace your roof with new materials. Insurers love holding back thousands in recoverable depreciation under strict, unfair deadlines. Third, am I legally required to mitigate damage while waiting on my claim? Yes. Under Texas policy law, you have a duty to mitigate further loss. That means placing tarps or stopping active leaks immediately. Keep every single receipt for emergency repairs. Your insurer is required to reimburse reasonable mitigation expenses. Texas experiences more hail events than almost any state in the nation. Because of high claim volumes, major insurance carriers routinely violate the Texas Insurance Code. They take months to send an adjuster, conduct rushed 10-minute roof inspections, ignore structural slope damage, and force you past your statutory filing windows. When an insurance company intentionally lowballs your estimate, unreasonably delays payment, or denies a valid claim, that isn't just frustrating, it is bad faith under Texas law. At StormLex Law Group, our legal team, Flores, Manuel Pelaez-Prada, and Jake Rogiers, don't let carriers hide behind bogus adjuster reports. We enforce strict Texas statutory deadlines and compel carriers to pay what your policy actually promises. If your roof was impacted by hail and your insurance company denied your claim, underpaid your scope, or stalled your payout, do not sign off on a lowball settlement. Visit stormlex.com or call us today for a free, no-obligation policy and claim evaluation. We serve commercial property managers, building owners, and homeowners across Dallas, San Antonio, Austin, and throughout Texas and Oklahoma.
StormLex Law Group, because you paid for coverage, not excuses.